are we today?
At Wild Florida.
Yeah, we're gonna go see gators again. We're gonna go see. I heard birds in there. Did you hear them? Your favorite birds?
Yeah. And there's peacocks here that they roam around like the last place.
Peacocks do? Oh, remember that you ate the whole peanut? I thought I was going to kill it.
I thought you killed
We
it.
get to feed gators today. Cool.
Keep calm, it's just a gator.
Did you find your favorite birds?
Hi.
Well, hello there.
Where's my favorite color?
Go up there. No, right here. He'll come over here. Hello. Look, he's swinging. Oh, look at this little guy. He's showing off his swinging skills. Yes, you're so talented. Yes, you are. I know. Oh, look. Look up, look up. Well, hello there.
Did you get some squash?
Is it so nummy? Look how beautiful.
I think he's so pretty.
Look, there's 3 of them right here. 1, 2, 3, oh, and then 4. Well, hello. Aren't you the most beautiful thing ever?
There are way more males than females.
You too. You so beautiful. It says no touching or feeding. I'm so glad that I had a sign to let me know not to do that. Well, I'm sorry, buddy. It says I can't feed you or touch you. So sorry. If there wasn't a sign there, there's a caterpillar crawling on you.
Snowflake.
Look at the caterpillar crawling on the...
That's Snowflake.
Jason, do you see the caterpillar?
Uh-huh. That's Snowflake.
It's literally crawling on Snowflake.
And then the other one. Snowflake is smaller, and then
Blizzard.
Blizzard is bigger.
Yeah. Snowflake and Blizzard. Blizzard, you don't look like you're much of a blizzard. Oh, tired there.
He's kind of big.
He's kind of sleepy, huh? Well, hello. He just chilling on you?
Mm-hmm.
Does he have a name?
Fiji.
Fiji. Oh, Fiji. So we're getting the sticks. And you get to go in and feed them. Well, hello. You just already know what's going on, don't you? Oh my, Todd. You better video this. Oh my.
I guess the birds love mommy. Holy cow.
I'm getting attacked. Here's you a stick if you want to. Here, you hold a stick. I'll video you and.
Oh.
Well, hello. Jacelyn, come over here. Come over here.
All I want is not to get a bird on it.
No. You don't want the bird on you?
No.
Jason, look at them all climbing all over.
No.
You want a bird, but you don't want the birds on you?
No.
Are you silly goose?
Jason's being a wimp.
Shush.
Oh, these birds.
Look at these.
Well, hello.
Gentle littles.
Are they fighting? They're fighting. Where are you fighting?
Oh, you scared me, little guy. Oh, I am terrified of that. We're the only people in here.
This is hilarious. Look at them all.
Why are you being bullies? You being bullies.
Oh, he just
Well,
stole.
you're just...
You better hang on to your stick.
Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this.
Now I'm trying to get one on me.
What if you just step away from the side, they will. No, don't hand it to
I
them.
only want one on me.
Okay, that's fine. You can watch. Look, I have 2, and it's great. So move back away from the side, and they'll fly to you.
Hold on.
Come here. You're gonna run out of
Maybe I'll get
seed, and I
those.
can't get another one.
You scared me.
So just stand there and hold it, and they'll come to you.
It's just scared me they're flying.
They'll come to you.
Don't touch. Don't let them come to you.
This is so cool.
Just thinking about it, but you're gonna stand away from it.
Here you go, buddy.
What do you say?
Hold the stick.
Look, you gotta be still. Look, come here, Jansen, turn around. Look right here. Stand right here.
Oh.
And hold it up.
There you go.
It's so
She
cute.
finally womaned up.
Yes.
It feels
Look at me.
weird. It's scaring me so bad.
You can hold him if you put your arm up there and say step up. He should go up on your arm.
He'll get on my arm.
Uh-huh.
He won't rip my fingers off.
No, as long as you don't pet him.
Step up. No. What about this other one?
She only usually comes on my shoulder whenever I have him.
So will she bite you?
Yeah.
She will
If
bite.
you try to pet her, yeah, she will.
You try. Maybe if you pick him up and then hand him off to me.
VG, step up. No?
You into it today?
VG, step up. He's just showing his eyes. He's mad.
I'm not asking him to step up.
Well, she says he bites. So be careful. Oh, look at that. Mommy's got one.
What the?
Because you can't be afraid of them.
I don't want it flying up to my wrist, but I'll be okay with it
Let me get
stepping
in.
onto my wrist. I'm okay with it stepping onto my wrist.
Oh, Mommy had a stick and he was hungry.
Oh, you got Princess. She'll let you hold her.
Princess.
Yeah, that's okay.
I want them to step up onto my arm, not fly to it.
You
How
getting
cool
some
is
good
this?
yummies? You getting some good yummies? I'm just having to take so many pictures of you because you're so pretty. Or you're handsome. Pretty or you're handsome. I don't know what you are. Hey, that's beautiful. Yes, you are.
I want one to step on to me, not.
Let's see if it'll,
That's what they do.
let's see if it'll step on Jason's arm.
No, not right now.
Here, you want to try it?
Not
Give me
right
the
this
camera.
second. Not right this second as we speak. For me.
You gotta hold these.
Nobody's after
Oh,
me.
he's gonna chew.
Is this on?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, hello.
Go in.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Look, Jackson, look at me. Look. Oh, shoot, you got two. Look.
He's like, I was mad.
You want to go to the rest of the park with me? Because that would be awesome.
Where's the other stick?
It would be so awesome.
Change your mind. I don't mind.
Would you like to?
Did you take the picture?
Would you like to? Huh?
Here, Mom, look, look.
What's your name? I just want to know your name.
Ready? Look, Mom. Look at me.
Because you're so pretty.
Oh my gosh, Jackson, you got one on your
Or handsome. Now Jason, back up and let it get on you. Now that they know you have the food. Huh?
Great.
It actually tickles a little bit when they eat in your hand. See, now they're all gonna come. Look, he's trying to eat your wristband.
This is fun.
Better than those sticks, right?
Fast.
Look at
Turn
this.
around. Now look at
Look at
me.
this.
Oh my
like,
gosh, she finally did it.
Look at these.
Oh, and she's got 3 now. Hold them up closer to you.
There you go. Oh, 4.
I like this. I like this.
Now you're liking it.
This is fun.
Maybe we'll get a bird after all.
Yay!
You gotta have 3 or 4.
all I'm scared of is dropping them.
Smile.
Now they won't fall because they can fly.
Oh yeah.
Smile. She finally did it. I'm so proud.
Now the hard part is getting them all off.
Once the food is gone, they'll be
Oh
gone.
yeah, don't worry.
Oh yeah.
They
Now we
will
just
be
gotta
gone.
sit here for an hour. Oh. What? This is fun.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, this is really fun.
Yeah.
Now that I got over it.
Now that you've got over your fears? He keeps looking at this thing on the top. This
Yeah. They don't like my
squirrel looking thing.
they don't like my squirrel.
Mm-mm. Is it so yummy?
I don't think he likes to be petted.
No, he knows when you're trying.
Yeah,
We tried. He kept showing us his mouth, and we were like, okay.
yeah. Getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah. And it will hurt if he gets you.
Oh, I imagine.
Yeah.
Okay, I want one.
Did you just say you want a bird?
Some about this particular bird, I really like them.
So somebody finally got the courage to pick the birds up.
Oh yeah.
You thinking about it?
Loving it.
Oh, it's so much fun. I will never say that nothing else is more fun than this.
You love it?
This is why I'm gonna get
So
one of
proud
these
of her.
birds instead of getting a parrot first.
Yeah, she needs to start small. But they're
Small,
When we
but cute.
get a house.
yeah, when we get a house. But they're awesome little birds. I love mine. I named mine Kramer. Obviously, for obvious reasons, anybody that, could understand where I got the name Kramer from. But
Where?
it's a old show that we used to watch called Seinfeld. And then he would whistle the tune of the Andy Griffith song all the time.
One of these will?
Oh yeah, he would always do
Just
it.
from listening, from you watching it?
No, I don't know where he learned it.
You had to learn it from the TV.
I bought him from a pet store, and he knew the song.
Oh, so you knew it before you got it?
Yes.
So obviously they liked it there.
And he would just whistle it.
I was gonna try and whistle it, but there's no way.
Right, somebody come on. Come
Look
on.
how brave she is now. I had to push her past her fears because I knew she could do it, and I just had to try to get her to calm down. And once she calmed down and could breathe, now look at her. Now she wants to work here.
Excuse me.
There you go. You're the brave one and the one that gets the food. This is so much fun. I never want to leave. Can we live here?
Sure.